Good afternoon, everybody. Agil here from Keys on Wheels. Today we are working on this beautiful beast, Range Rover Vogue 2017. Our lovely customer has lost all the keys completely, and we have programmed 2 new aftermarket keys to the car. This is key number 1. This is key number 2. Lock, unlock. All working, forks working, remote working. This is, I put one key here on the other Range Rover. Key number 1. And we'll take this one off. And we'll swap with the other one. That's key number 2. That will be here. That will be there. Okay, and this is key number 2. All working, happy days. Range Rover Vogue 2017. All keys lost. Thanks for watching.